exploring the phrase, lens cleaning, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, lens cleaning. Whether you're a photographer, a glasses wearer, or just curious about English expressions, this video will clear things up. So, let's get started and explore what lens cleaning really means. Lens cleaning refers to the process of removing dirt, dust, or smudges from the surface of a lens. This could be the lens of a camera, a pair of glasses, or any optical device. The key here is the word lens, which means a piece of glass or other transparent material, shaped to concentrate or disperse light rays. The word cleaning implies carefully removing any unwanted particles to ensure a clear view. Cameras and photography. In photography, lens cleaning is essential for taking clear pictures. It involves using special tools like lens cloths or brushes to gently wipe the camera lens. Eyewear maintenance. For glasses wearers, lens cleaning is a daily routine. It means using a microfiber cloth and a cleaning solution to keep the glasses free from smudges and fingerprints. Scientific and medical equipment. In scientific settings, lens cleaning might refer to maintaining microscopes or other precision instruments. It's crucial for accurate observation and research. Choosing the right tools. Always use soft, lint-free cloths and avoid abrasive materials that can scratch the lens. The cleaning process. Gently wipe in a circular motion to avoid streaks. For tougher spots, a special lens cleaning solution may be used. Regular maintenance. Regular lens cleaning ensures optimal performance of your equipment. Whether it's for capturing images, seeing clearly, or conducting precise measurements. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, lens cleaning, and its importance in various contexts. Remember, keeping your lenses clean is key to clarity, whether in photography, vision, or research. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next English language learning adventure.